Oh shoot, I already dropped something. Oh my gosh, what an intro. Jeez Louise. Like when you have a baby and their diapers, like the ones that are like, you smell them and you're just like, whoa, that. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 5 of August 2018 Box Week. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel because the 1 week every month, I was like, okay, well, hey you. It's the 1 week every month. Me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. We have a new video every single day for 7 days. You're catching us on day 5, and today we are going to be unboxing my Macy's beauty box subscription. I've got my man, Mr. John Wayne here, and I'm gonna cut the seal on this bad boy and just get into it. I'm excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. This might be a total flop. I just have a feeling like maybe Macy's this month is just gonna bring it. Like they're just gonna like show up and show out for Box Week. Hopefully, I don't know. Also, let me just reach over here unflatteringly and let you know we're gonna be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is getting crazy full. Basically, this is a box of goodies that we've been filling up over the last 2 months. It's the 4th box we've actually filled up on my YouTube channel. Once a box is full, I'm gonna be giving that away. Yeah, so once it's full, I'll put a video on my channel about how to enter. But yeah, all right, so let's just get into this. I'm struggling right now, though. Like, what's going on? Okay, hold on. There's something in the bottom underneath here. What is this? Look at this bag. Oh my God, it's like this really cute, clear, holographic plastic bag. You guys see that? That's cool. So every month you get a bag, and then it looks like they put the items separately from the bag this month because the bag, how big it was, I don't know. Alrighty, so we're going to open this up here. There's a little booklet here that tells you about the items in here, as well as there is a 5 off of $5 coupon thingy. I actually love those. They're a really great way to like restock like things like face masks and all that in your collection. Basically, you can use that on their website. It's free shipping and everything, so you can buy like 2 face masks and get your life. All right, so the first thing we have in here is Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So this is a makeup setting spray. I think I've tried this before. I'm actually going to put this into the giveaway box because I actually have a good amount of makeup setting sprays right now, but this is a sample of the Urban Decay spray. We've got a cup fragrance here. What is this? All right, so we have a Juicy Couture fragrance. Oh, I'm interested to smell this. I don't know. You guys know I like don't love fragrances very much, but I do usually like Juicy Couture, so we'll see what's going on with this. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, it's tough. That was, I sprayed too much. I sprayed too much in my room. It's gonna find its way back to me. Good Lord, help me. All right, oh my God, we got Confidence in an Eye Cream from IT Cosmetics. I am so excited. I was actually just like literally thinking about this product the other day. I was like, oh my God, I wish I could get like another sample of that because it's like one of the most bomb eye creams, and I got one. There's not very much in there though. I feel like they skimped me. I need more than that. My eyes are really tired recently, guys. I need more cream than that. All right, putting some on my hand. I don't even know why. I've tried it like a million times before, but this is like a phenomenal eye cream. I always feel like it's really into the grooves and creases on your eye. It's fantastic. This whole thing is just all over my lap. It's literally like this whole bag just kind of like on my lap. I don't know what to tell you. Next item that we have is Master Lab Intensive Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid face mask from Tony Moly. That's really awesome. I'm gonna keep this too. Man, I need face masks. I feel like I'm being so bad right now with everything. Jeez Louise, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm struggling a little bit. Next thing that we have, it looks like it is a mascara sample from Lancome, or it's a lip color. Nope, it's a lip color. It's not mascara. Well, I'm glad if you showed up for tonight's unboxing, you're learning absolutely nothing. I actually might be making people a little bit less intelligent by the fact that I'm not saying anything that's like remotely like facts. Okay, so this is a Lancome lip color. It's like in a red shade. I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box. I'm just not even gonna try and keep that. I'm just gonna give that away. All right, and finally, we have Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask to Purify and Nourish from Origins. Ooh, I'm excited. Geez Louise, I'm gonna keep this too. I'm sorry. I've never tried this mask before. Oh, it's an intense smell though. Whoa, goodness gracious. You know what it smells like? A fresh, okay. So you know like when you, okay, this is gonna be a tangent. You know like when you have a baby and their diapers, like the ones that are like, you smell them and you're just like, whoa, that diaper. Not a used diaper. like a new one, like a brand new fresh diaper. Like when it comes out of the plastic, you're just kind of like, wow, that's a really intense smell. That, and I might be the only person who's ever felt that way. So awkward. So to recap this box, we got the Lancome lip color thing that I thought was mascara. We also got the All Nighter Urban Decay spray. That's going in the giveaway box. I'm just gonna set those aside right now. We got the Tony Moly Hyaluronic Face Mask. We also got the Clear Improvement Mask from Origins, which is right there, and the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. I actually like this box. I don't like the way I unboxed it, but I do like the box. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, still, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6, which hopefully will be a grand improvement upon whatever this was. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. And it's definitely like sticky. So I'm guessing you put this on at night, obviously.